Hi, I'm Brett from Redsbaby, father of twins. Let's be honest, parenting is a juggle. Whether you're making dinner, tidying up, or just hoping for 5 quiet minutes, there are plenty of moments when your baby still needs soothing, and longer lasting soothing, but you need your hands free. That's exactly where the SOMA Smart Rocker comes in. It's not just a rocker. This is an intelligent support that automatically steps in to soothe your baby when you need it most, giving you back those moments to pause, recharge, and catch your breath. Little ones need comfort well beyond the newborn stage, and SOMA is designed to grow with them.
Brett, what is the age range on the SOMA Smart Rocker?
The SOMA has been designed from newborn up to approximately 2 years.
How?
The SOMA has a spacious, contoured seat, nice and tall and wide, as well as this soft, supportive seat pad, especially in the newborn stage. It also has 3 different recline positions to find the optimal position for your baby, as well as a leg rest to give them support at every stage. The SOMA provides support when younger and then keeps them more comfortable at every stage. So from early days to toddlerhood, you'll have a little bit more freedom.
Brett, can you show us how it works?
SOMA uses tech-incorporated control panel to keep your baby soothed. To control all the smart features of your rocker, use the control panel located on the leg rest. Choose from 3 vibration levels to deliver just the right amount of gentle movement. So even when you're out of reach, SOMA keeps your baby calm and comforted. First, turn it on, and then you have your 3 vibration settings. Level 1, level 2, level 3, and then it turns off. Select from 12 calming lullabies. This one's my favorite. As well as you can adjust the volume to create the perfect environment for your baby. But here's the difference. Come, let me show you. SOMA listens. With its built-in cry detection, it senses when your baby begins to stir and responds automatically with vibration and music to help settle them again. No buttons, no fuss, just clever design that knows when to act. Once it's on and the auto cry setting is on, it will do the rest on its own. SOMA rocks with a gentle, natural rhythm in response to your baby's movement, just like the motion that settles them in your arms. What's best about the SOMA is it allows you to get a few more things done without rushing over every time they become restless. Your baby's safety matters. That's why the SOMA Smart Rocker is designed with a snug 3-point safety harness to keep your little one secure, plus anti-rock feet.
Brett, with all the smart electronics, is SOMA portable?
SOMA is lightweight, easy to move between rooms, and folds flat. So whether you're living in a smaller place or just like things tidy, like me, it fits your space. No outlet nearby? No problem. The SOMA Smart Rocker also runs on batteries, giving you smooth support anytime, anywhere. It comes with premium fabrics, soft textures, and 2 colorways, linen and flint grey. It's designed to feel right at home in yours.
Brett, why do you love the SOMA Smart Rocker?
Its smart, responsive auto cry detection supports you, allowing you to get on with your day while your baby stays closer and settled for longer. That's everyday parenting made easier. At Redsbaby, we understand the journey of parenthood and are proud to be part of yours. Discover the SOMA Smart Rocker. We have our promise: 3-year warranty, 30-day indoor trial, free, easy returns, and local lifetime customer support. Thank you for watching our SOMA Smart Rocker demonstration.